Are you gonna be recording? I guess you've got. Are you like recording? You should unmute yourself, mate. We're doing some chill casting.
Alright, unmuted on OBS, let's see how we go.
Okay.
Oh, we see, what's her face? Hibana, Nomad. No one's gonna be completing their win 5 rounds at Hibana challenge in this 10-man.
Yeah, interesting to see that all the bands are women.
Mate, this casting stuff is hard, literally nothing interesting's happened. We see each team pick 5 operators, and as the clock strikes 0, they have to confirm them.
Yeah, everything looking pretty normal.
I can really feel it start to heat up, it's getting pretty tense in the minute. See the 6th pick come on to Am I?
Yeah, DJK is on the ace, and that means that he'll be crouch-walking in the basement somewhere, so...
I hope their team is not relying on any hard breaching, because it's not going to happen.
Attackers need to locate and defuse as many bombs as they can.
Right,
interesting observing right there.
Let's go for some nice cinematic pan of the site. Ash and Ace, or just Ash trying to sneak a drone in below, gets caught by the smoke. Fantastic action we're seeing coming out here already.
Yeah, this is insane. I can't believe we're seeing this right off the rip.
So they just jumped his drone. What's he doing?
TWG Big Mac trying to put down a Goya shield at 90 and the drone's all black and white. So
he gets it. Oh my goodness.
Only took 10 minutes.
Oh, my game sound's gonna be crazy loud. I always forget that up.
Attackers' objective is to locate a bomb.
And as soon as you got like a controller plugged in, it just won't listen to the keyboard.
Nice. Okay.
But now you're not gonna hear it.
Oh well. Oh, who cares?
Oh, an extended hold. And for a brief minute, I've forgotten the controls. Nice. Extended hold, but he's the only Donny playing over there.
Extended hold, but he's gonna die.
Immediate 90 repel. Immediate.
2 people on 90 repel. This is crazy. Reaper stands right there.
Seeing some fantastic crouch walk action going on. He's walking backwards. He's walking sideways and forwards.
We all know great. Not being weary.
Doesn't know the Wamai's here. Wamai's playing passive. Shoots a drone.
I'm reloading.
Rocking the platform, letting them know.
Yeah, he's really he's trying to be intimidating, you know. While it's glowing in his face. First pick goes to Sanity.
Slyx. Slayix. Peeking down through the vertholes. Blizzard collecting another on main stairs. Pro League uniform can't save you from bullets.
Yeah, but that charm has really proven Blizzard good.
We've seen Night Repair and Vault will get opened, immediately abandoned.
Yeah, I'm surprised DJK actually did something this round. So.
Oh. DJK baiting his teammates out once again. Sees the Wamai walk out the door, doesn't fire a bullet, waits for him to kill the Thatcher before going, yeah, now it's time to pad my KD.
Yeah, always letting the Wamai just run out there. Just that.
Those one's gonna be peeking the vertical. Sees the top of the head.
The old head.
The old head. Doesn't know that he's gonna get a deeper angle. And gets clapped.
Shredded from the photos he was watching.
Mate, this casting stuff is well easy.
Yeah, I know, right?
What I do is just talk. I could do that for fucking England.
Yeah, you just gotta like fill in. Why is there like a random character that doesn't display in the team name?
I don't know. I assume it's because they're like slightly too similar.
Really?
I have no idea. Like that started happening when I put like both team names as the same thing.
Huh.
But I mean, like they're just different team names. I don't know.
Kin on Glaz. Let's see if he can do anything with it.
Last time we saw this, we saw a Frost shotgun jump out of their closet, collect him and one up.
Oh my god, Kin on the Ash, the Mega Fragger himself. TenMan Greaters just sit down while he takes the roll.
Attackers need to locate and defuse as many bombs as they can.
For all Grey's aim training, endless hours in Kovacs, aim labs. He said, nah, I just whacked on Windows Max Excel and done everything that your wrist can.
Yeah, he runs the mouse acceleration, which is really weird. Right?
Yeah, I'd never even heard of that until... It seems like a smart idea when you hear about it, like, oh yeah, the more you move it, the faster it goes, but like...
It's just isn't.
It would make sense if you normally like had to move your mouse like a meter either side.
Yeah, but like if you had to flick, then you're just not accurate, right? Because it depends on how fast you're moving your mouse and shit.
Yeah. Mate, I'm never accurate anyway. Maybe I should try it.
Two wrongs make a right.
Yeah. Right, we've seen an immediate abandonment of study side. And as soon as I'm not playing a TenMan, people are happy to take study side over. Fancy that.
God, I still can't believe all 10 players still have full health. This is incredible. No PKs just yet, but maybe we're getting one.
Seeing a drone coming out. Who's that drone in? Called into the overlay. No one knows. Proxy.
It's DJ?
DJK droning. Are you mad?
Oh look,
he
is
droning.
Like you can see if their gun isn't like.
Yeah, the whole team is droning.
Yeah, if their gun doesn't have the line underneath, it means that they're droning.
Located by attackers.
Because it means that they're doing an activity that means that they can't use their gun. It's a pretty good system, if I say so myself.
Oh my goodness, what is this? Zombie repel.
Zombie repel, yes, Kin doing my man proud.
And it immediately enables Proxy to collect the kill.
I know, see, zombie repel is just so OP that,
What is Sanity doing down here?
Christ, Sanity dot unpronounceable team name.
Slicks?
I'm just gonna read that as Roman numerals right there. So that's Sly 9. So we are seeing the Buddha just trapped in a corner here.
Guess what? Guess two.
Kid.
Doesn't know there's a third.
Really help him out, but
DJK nearly going for the bait. Oh, it's Ben the Bean.
TWG Big Mac getting ready for the swing. He manages to get the pick, so it's a 2v2 pretty much. As I don't think they can revive the Ash here. Maybe Proxy can do something, but TWG Big Mac just closes him off.
Proxy working his way up.
Yeah, he's trying to make a push up these astronomy stairs.
Travesty that we've not yet seen any funny things made.
If he just like shoots.
and he just gets
That's
perspectived.
bullshit. That's bullshit.
Like literally invisible.
Actual bullshit.
DJK going crazy. Narrowly
Takes
avoids the frost mat.
He sees the head of TWG Big Mac, who is just going to wisely fall back to top red. DJ is just going to plant with 10 seconds left. I think TWG Big Mac knows about this. DJ is just sticking that plant though. He's going to kill him if he's not careful.
This Runegate is not going to work in favour of the defender. It's going to immediately turn on when he gets close. DJK knows this. And hipfire's toxicity embodied.
Yeah, that is, yeah. Awful right there, BM.
I guess when the barrel of the gun is literally pressed up against his face, there was no point aiming down the scope.
Yeah, and I mean, I think he had better aim when it was random. So.
Kind of like you on Monty. Better aim when you've got a macro that points all the hipfire bullets directly at the person's head.
I mean, we did see DJ whiff a bunch of shots on Wamai while he just ran out and killed his teammate. So
it was all deliberate, I'm sure.
Kin's sticking the Ash while Grey goes on Zoof. Yeah, Kin is actually just going to stick the Ash here. It didn't really work out for him last time. So, and Kin isn't really known for being the fragger in that lineup specifically as well. It's usually Grey or DJ, you know. They even have Proxy.
Yeah.
Not Ben though, not Ben. Ben's just garbage. On Ash.
Buddha's doing everyone's favourite strat. Pretend like they can't see you. He's thought better of it though. He thought maybe I'll just go invisible during prep phase. That way they won't know that we bought the most prevalent operator.
I feel like my mic threshold is really low, so like when I start talking, it just cuts out all the time.
No, I mean it sounds fine. Low thresholds, like
in the recording, or high threshold. Then.
Right.
I don't know what it means, man. I'm a Neanderthal when it comes to technology.
Oh mate, I've just been like drawing circles in the overview. I've not been paying attention at all.
Where's the snack bar casting when you need it? Or snack bar.
Hold on, let me get a keyboard out. How do I do this?
There we go. Yep. Yep, he's right.
What does it mean, Creeper? What do the numbers mean? Oh, immediate 90 repel. Clearing study side over again. Blizzard's going for
They know what they're doing.
a late retake, in fact. I think they're aware that the Ash has already got 90 control. Though TWG Big Mac.
It is Kin though, so I'm not really.
You just casted this so you can dunk on Kin. Like,
Yeah, and Ben, dude. Look at Ben doing absolutely nothing right now.
what's he doing?
You
He's
still
on
play
drugs.
camera.
No. Proxy gets taken out from Sanity. Where is that? Sanity on the basement run.
Yeah, I did say it was Kin, so he didn't really do much. Grey does take out Blizzard though. That is the refrag coming out, but it's still a 4v3 as they didn't trade out the proxy kill just yet. Does look like DJK is going to be crouch walking in the basement somewhere.
With diffuser, no less.
Yep. You know, as usual.
Looks like he's going to narrowly avoid coming into contact with the Jaeger, and I instantly swapped to the wrong dude as Ham Gaming.
I mean, it is always great to see that DJK is in his natural habitat, just crouch walking around somewhere.
Bomb located by attackers.
Grey's down, but he doesn't have withstand anymore, so they're actually going to have to revive him.
That's going to be all on Ben as DJK's come to link up with his buddies. He's the dude that turns up late to the party, but when he gets there, he has a good time.
Loading new magazine.
If that's the analogy you want to use, then sure.
I mean, what else is there?
I don't know, mate.
Turns up late, but he does get there.
Getting rid of something on the ceiling that I didn't catch.
It was a Cade electrical opening up the wall, which may allow Buddha to just
Die. Yeah, that's a really interesting decision from Buddha there, just to sit
Die.
right away to let it die. TWV's advantage with a Big Mac. It just quickly gets away.
You know what they call TWG Big Mac in France?
Le Big
diffuser has
Mac.
been dropped.
Royale with
Attackers recovered
cheese.
the bomb diffuser.
C4. He stares right at it, but gets shredded by Jaeger anyway. That's sanity dot unpronounceable TD. Sweeping that round.
He's just gonna type Sly X back in the chat, you know?
He actually is. I'm gonna call him Sly9 from now on. Oh, Slicks. Fair enough.
Sly
enough.
X9 it is.
No, it's
Sly 9.
Sly9. Yeah, Sly9.
I thought the Royale with cheese joke was really funny. Wasn't that funny, was
I
it?
didn't get it.
I
I
think
didn't get it.
Pulp Fiction reference. Because there's that
Oh,
scene where, like,
I have not seen Pulp Fiction, mate.
John Travolta's speaking with Samuel L. Jackson. He's like, you know what they call a Big Mac in France?
Attackers need to locate
And he
defuse
says,
as many bombs as they can.
Le Big Mac? He goes, no, Royale with cheese.
Well, I actually like filled in that gap.
I know.
That
was perfect.
incredible.
I can't remember what Samuel L. Jackson does for the rest of the film. I think he just like beats people up and kills them.
He's just there, just like yeah, just like Proxy or just like Kin is right now. He's just there. He's not doing much.
Setting up a pre-placed in library. I thought this was on
Same
the
with
Wolf
Ben.
balcony.
Ben is just there as well. Haven't
5
really
seconds
seen
left
much
before
gameplay from
insertion.
Ben.
Ben,
Or
king of the
Proxy.
action. He's playing Mario
Attackers'
Kart
objective
in
is to
Spawn.
locate a bomb and defuse it.
I hate that you've got to like zoom out multiple times.
Oh, what if you just like what I do is I just like stay vertically above them and don't move.
And max zoom out.
There you go.
You
Yeah,
just do
this is
this.
fine.
Oh
Yeah,
mate,
that's
I could
literally-
do this hands free.
The attacker's bomb diffuser has been
Wow.
dropped.
Oh my god. No hands. No hands.
Attackers recovered the diffuser.
You can even do it like that. Yeah. Like you.
Just gonna like tie a
You
rubber
did.
band to my
Oh.
controller.
No, go backwards a bit. Go backwards a bit. Dude, like the wall's glitching out in statue. You see that? Like, go forwards a bit.
Oh yeah, I see that. Textures just go crazy. Da Vinci?
Da
See.
Vinci.
Kid, oh, I was gonna
Kid on
say,
rappel gets taken out straight away by the
By the
Blizzard on the
Mumbai.
jump out.
what, Mumbai? By
It's-
the
it's not-
Mumbai.
It's not Kin's day right now. I don't think it's Kin's day.
It was doing everything
it's
correct,
not.
it just didn't have some of which in the runouts.
That's unfortunate. This Proxy just drops into the arms of Blizzard.
With a drone on him as well, you know that's gonna hurt. You know the comms are gonna be frustrated right now. Why was no
Yeah.
one holding the drone?
I mean,
Ah.
Sunny is on the winning team right now, so he's not gonna be mad like he was the other day.
Oh,
Gray just kills Ham, who was sat in the middle of the long, I guess. Yeah, sure, why not? Ham doing his
Shields.
best.
shields come to work against him, as has the 250 ping that Blizzard's currently experiencing.
He gets
Oh,
taken out from a really nice angle from DJ. Always playing those rat angles, and I'm surprised he's not just crouch walking and blow again.
there's plenty of time. TWG
Wow.
Big Mac's taking a strat close to my own.
Yeah, I
played
didn't
this
even
in a
see
villa.
that they were playing strat.
Played this in a 10-man the other day, but someone put the shield like just
In the
Like-
middle of nowhere.
yeah, it was kind of like off this facing study door. And I was kind of like, well, I'm gonna sit here anyway because I've asked for an electrical on the hatch, but
Just being nice, just being nice.
setting up for an execute, they smoked off Big Mac. Le Royale with cheese is
I thought
repositioned.
that was a bad smoke, because he can
He
just...
just walked past it.
Wow, that's really stopping him right now. Like, ash below to get rid of...
to get rid of the reinforced hatch. Still worried about him.
But shield is still up. How do they just
Attackers
walk
have
in
located a
and
bomb.
one of them
10
dies?
seconds to go.
They're just
They're
double
going,
teaming.
they're going for
5
kills.
seconds left.
Not sure what's
Great
happening here.
Great, last one left, he takes
Attackers
out
have
Buddha,
recovered their
but
diffuser.
gets taken down. He gets shot in the back by TWG Big Mac.
Le
Who,
Royale with cheese himself.
yeah, despite him getting smoked off and like the shield he was playing at not being destroyed from below. I mean, what
Um,
else? What can that man do? You know, he's just insane.
That looked like everything was going towards the attackers. It was pretty even at the execute. They still had smokes to play with. They were allowed to just walk in sight. There was no vault player. And yeah, got distracted. Final minute, tried to clear non-important utility.
Hmm. Let's see if Kin can actually not die on 90 this time, and let's see if Ben can actually do something. We've seen the other players stepping up. You know, I mean maybe not Proxy, but the attacker's really weak right now. Like they're not doing well.
Hmm.
I had to point that out. DJ
Attackers
doing
need
his
to
best,
locate and defuse
crouch
bombs.
walking around the map. You know, he can find his couple picks, but it's only amounted to one round so far, so
This looks
it's
like
not really worth.
the painted sanity Horizon vertical everywhere extension.
Yeah.
Is they're gonna open up the memorial walls, but instantly reinforce the sight lines that they provide.
Yeah.
An
So
interesting concept, allowing the attackers to.
maybe they're not doing a horizontal hold.
Yeah. It's interesting. Would you be in favour of opening
10
up
seconds left before
all of the
insertion.
memo walls anyway? Just to
Yeah,
challenge.
I think
Five
it's good.
seconds
And then
left
you play
before
inside a
insertion.
memorial. I think
Right.
it's actually decent. And Sanity's playing the pulse anyway, so
Now to locate a
looks
bomb
like
and
he's gonna
defuse
be
Where's
doing
he?
vertical
Where's he
play.
gone?
He's above me. I don't know why Pulse is above. Maybe he's gonna pulse through the floor and kill people walking in a laundry.
We have seen in TenMan a vertical C4 from above. Never forget that.
He's going. He was tempting the C4 at the window and killed two in spawn.
I love when you're on fucking. You're hovered over a person and you press A and it zooms in. As soon as you go with the first person view, it just jumps to a different dude. I was trying to spectate Proxy's exciting droning.
Wow.
It looks like they're just
Ray's
gonna.
already made it into
Yeah,
bikes.
they're just gonna bypass the
Attackers have
vertical
located a
hold,
bomb.
assuming they don't have verticals set up. Just send Grey straight towards sight, and they'd be correct in that assumption.
Yeah,
They're holding above.
knowing these 10-mans, they're not really gonna have vertical holes because they're bad. So, you know,
Grey's fucking
you
Grey.
kind of just do what you want.
Chips here to dish it out.
This is
Ever
just
since
chill
they stopped,
casting, you know.
they
bomb has
stopped
been located.
recording stats. Chips. Not been feeling the 10-mans. 3 people instantly rushing to try and stop Grey from walking in clocks.
Practice where it's at for sure. It's way better than 10-mans. Interesting punch holes there from Blizzard.
Let's see what he's
Don't look
watching.
like it's gonna do anything because Grey just managed to walk down the hallway anyway. So that
Put down
really
to
helped.
1 HP. C4 rings out. Sanity can't quite do the chip damage needed to down him.
Wow, Blizzard on the astronomy stairs. It looks like he's gonna swing and kill him.
Our
But he's just
position is too
waiting.
concerned with drones.
Oh no! Now they know he's there. He could get killed.
He's gonna get doubled up on the Brazilian beast himself, even though he's actually Chilean and Chinese kin.
Kin almost. He was very close to finding his first pick of the game. But
And
in
the
the meantime,
beam's
Ben
already weaved
actually
himself
gets
into
the second
sight.
kill. What? He's inside sight. Oh my
There's a
God,
double.
He whiffed on the second but kills him. That's pulse down. Still
Buddha's
in sight.
answering a
DJ
phone
Gamer
call from his
actually
mum at this point. He doesn't even know what's happening.
Ben has done his work. Ben is just so good. Ben is just one of the best players I've ever seen.
Both of the
crazy,
defenders, not a clue what's happening. Buddha's had to just hang up on his mum, leaving just Blizzard 1vx. He's got red pinks.
It's a 1v4 10. Ben the
Dang.
Bean takes him out. He's going even this match already. After he was going 1-4 before this round, he's now going 4-4.
It's a battle of the
Insane
black charms.
gameplay. Insane gameplay. He's running the team secret skin, which is it just means you're gonna win, right?
Rest in peace,
Unfortunately for
Packball.
Kin, yeah, unfortunately for Kin, still not gotten any kills yet, but I'm sure he'll prove his worth.
Someone's let Oven play on Kin's account.
That's
Oven
true.
4.
Although no, I wouldn't say that. Because if Oven was playing on Kin's account, we would have seen an Amaru in sight dying.
Yeah.
I don't know if we can say that.
I wish you could type in team chat in observer mode.
Yeah. How would you type it on your own
I
team?
think you should have a like a team 1 and team 2 chat.
Defenders
Just so
protect
you can
bombs
like
being used by
stream
attackers.
snipe
Give
with
them
them.
comms, yeah. Give
Take the
coolness.
ammo here. They sicked off the frost. Sad
Or
to
just-
see. No
or
cause
just type-
extension.
Kill him. Kill him.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
You see him. You see him. We're going for
Yeah, bro,
the wolf pack roam. It looks like with all 3 people stacking in Astro. Not the most efficient way I've seen sites set up. Nice quirk of
Well,
10-mans. There's normally 7 reinforcing pocket by the time the round starts.
Yeah, and then I'm literally there moaning to my teammates. Why the hell have we still got 7?
And they go, oh, wait, I reinforced 5 walls. I don't know what you're on about.
Yeah, and then they were like, well,
Attackers must
DJ will
locate
say,
and defuse
well,
a
I
bomb.
was setting up mute jammers on the other side of the map. And then Ben will be like, yeah, well, I was putting like Falcats out. And then like,
I was sat by the window waiting all 45 seconds of prep phase so I could throw a bout cam out the window as soon as the round starts.
yeah, and I'll literally be like smoke on site. I'll be like, oh, well, okay, guess fine, fair enough. I guess I just had to reinforce all 10 walls and put down the shield and make all the rotates and everything. Yeah, that makes sense, Blizzard does get taken out early. I'm not sure where he was playing, but he was super aggressive, it looks like, because he's already dead.
I can't
Where
even
was he?
find this dude. Did he run out?
He, Astro was... No way he... Was he bastard? Because they're all on that side of the map, right? Like,
Yeah, must have run out from... No? Was he study?
no, we can't stop
He
until we
was
find
study.
He was study. Oh my god. I'm surprised. Well, yeah, DJK's not on the defense yet. That would have been his spot. I believe he did. Did DJ take him down? I can't
It was grey. Hit him with the insta BM. Kid knows the bathroom's clear, but he doesn't want to hop in because he's not been told to do so by his teammates just yet. Someone needs to step up and take this leadership role.
It's probably grey right now, which shows why they're losing. So we'll see how it goes.
Bend the beam. Crouch walk mission. Yes, the
He managed
Cade.
to take the pick on the big mock. He gets taken down though. Kane gets a nade. That's the first pick of the game for him. On 1 HP right now, as Ham takes down Ben on the red stairs. It's just Ham left in 1v4. It looks like the rounds are going to be even now. As we see Grey pushing up to actually get the frag, and this is when I'll be shouting, stop pushing Grey, but he'll be like, nah, I got the pick. And he does have the pick. So, fair enough.
1v4 with 2 HP left. Hits them with the crouch spam because
He did whiff all over the 90 cam though, so...
oh, he finishes off with the body shots. Nice shot
Yeah,
from me. Perfect.
Certainly a nice shot from him, indeed. Maybe not, but I just said that.
I think it's a quirk of the L85. It's
That's
just
true.
it's got downwards recoil, just instantly attracted to chest shots.
Yeah, it just doesn't let you shoot the head.
I always find that when I play it. It's definitely not me.
Yeah, I always find that it just like shoots off into space whenever I play, so...
Oh,
I don't know.
maybe you need
Maybe
to
I should-
update your macros.
Yeah, I think I need to
Defenders, protect your bombs from being defused
reinstall
by
those
attackers.
macros. They're pretty old now, but...
Oh, just realised this OBS broadcast can see the red boxes.
Oh,
Don't just like ignore these outlines.
yeah, but... yeah,
Shit, how do I turn it off?
You know there were people like, there's actually people just like streaming with like red boxes on, and you just see them like spinning around, just like lasering people through walls.
Fuck's
I don't know why
sake.
it's so, I don't know why it's so funny, but like, it just is.
Is it that looking?
Yeah, but they get like 2,000 views because people
5
watch them,
seconds remaining.
and then only like 3 bots, and like I just like
Attackers
tuned in
moving out
once.
to locate a bomb.
I see this guy lasering people through walls. It's like,
Fuck's sake.
wait, he's literally streaming and he's not getting mad. Like,
Reminds me
Crazy.
of that console streamer. It was like console streamer hand cam. It was him using a fucking keyboard and mouse.
yeah, Xbox NA. Yeah, he's got like a fucking mouse cam.
Study side take coming out from Haram Meat. Night Repel from Buddha with the illegal Twitch skin that he's running. Yeah, he's gonna.
Can we keep eyes on DJ here? Because I feel like he's gonna flank when it turns into a 1v4.
Bomb located by
He's playing
attackers.
90, which is surprisingly close to sight. Gray's unaware of Buddha. Lacking on drones. You almost just want to type in text chat. Jump out the window. Screaming at my monitor.
Attackers have recovered
I
their
swear,
Yeah.
I'm gonna break my monitor.
Green. Gray, why do you jump out the window, Gray?
Who's
We have to
Blizzard on
DJ
Jackal?
playing the 90
Quick
position.
peeking on 250 ping.
Drone activated.
Really? Yeah, I mean, he's got the ping, so why not use it, right?
Seagull comes
DJ
out.
sequels the window, but doesn't get anything.
Goes for the cam
Damn.
rather than the view. Surely someone's gonna push
Just
out landing here.
undecisive. Blizzard is just undecisive, and he can't hit either. Now pushing up, I think he took down the cam after all.
He's done the DJK
God,
special. I don't think DJK knows he's prone. Yes.
Absolutely destroyed. I'm not sure whether that was ping or just the
think it
reaction
must have
time of the
been.
snail. But
How many times have we said this with like you spectate someone on high ping?
DJ does get taken out, so no more blatant flanks for him. Proxy trades it back though, so it is a 4v3 in favour of the defense.
I'm not seeing any study side pressure as of yet, but as
Gray
we...
going for the flank in a 4v3. This is incredible.
Oh, I hate to
Wait,
break
no,
it
he's
to you,
not even
mate.
playing below. Damn it.
Buddha's there.
For the Twitcher.
Oh, caught lacking.
Destroys.
Ensures it gets the headshot for the extra plus 20 points.
Yeah, those 10-man GG stats really matter.
Attackers bomb
I
diffuser
think you
has
see it out of the
Great.
corner of your eye.
Gray just slapped him, like, but yeah, that was
15 seconds to
unfortunate as we
go.
did see Big Mac just
Attackers
staring at
recovered the
him constantly
diffuser.
through that
10
pixel.
seconds remaining.
Not doing anything. Cam trying to smoke out
5
the
seconds
site,
left.
but
No util, no
So-
HP.
no seconds. He doesn't even get one
Operators,
shot
you are out of
controls.
time.
That's
He's-
halal meat. Take
he's-
it round 7.
Oh, inshallah, I hope Halal Meat wins this.
I don't know what you just said, but yes.
It would not be a good look if Haram Meat wins this.
I can't remember which one's which.
Haram is against the teachings of Allah and the Quran.
How do you know this?
Oh, I'm a cultured man.
What? How's that culture?
It's Muslim culture, what do you mean?
I don't. I'm a farmer, mate.
Yeah, to be fair, you're from Norfolk.
I don't think we've even heard
Oh
of those
mate, I've
people
just
here.
DDoSed you on the OBS recording.
Attackers
just
need
kidding.
to locate and defuse as many bombs as they can.
Yeah, I don't know,
I'm not sure if this is allowed to.
I would eat at the mosque sometimes at uni because they had a really cool falafel place.
I think you should get rid of the audio on this phone because I might have said some bad stuff.
He's flamed too many people with this VOD. Oh no. An interesting frost map coming out. I can't think if I've ever stood in that exact point of the map. Ever.
You know? Well,
I think
that's
these-
why it's so good, right? Because people don't expect it.
But
5 seconds to insertion.
Of course, it's kin. It's definitely Oven on that account. Not doing the closet hold though, which Oven would have done, and he
Yeah.
would have run
he would have run
double shotgun.
double shotgun
Oh,
and
frost.
all 3 frost mats on the closet window.
Yeah, and he would have jumped out at the start of the round and died anyway. So interesting
Bro, I
choice
was
there.
literally on hand gaming when I pressed A. Come on. I don't understand the spectator system.
I think you're fat fingering a different button, mate.
Mate, the white bar was literally on hand. But alright, bouncing bullet. He's gone for a comfort pick in the finger. He's working in the Bubuelo charm. And the monocle optic.
Really good. DJK prepping a C4. Window cell does absolutely nothing to Buddha. Kin gets a pick onto sanity.slicks. I do know how to pronounce that name, but Buddha the bouncing Bunda himself trades it back.
Gray is unaware of where this finger is. It looks like he's pressuring the Zoff on steady bulk.
No way he runs out and kills the guy drowning, right? Maybe they don't even know he's here. Yeah, it doesn't look like what Le Big Mac Royale or whatever you just said.
Le Royale with cheese. Oh, and he gets caught lacking with the stuns out. Turns around because he can't face to see his fate.
Unfortunate there.
Lizard on the Capital, left in a 1v4. Silent hops into Wolf. I don't think anyone's aware of this, no one's turned around to react. DJK is watching the window angle still.
I won't be surprised if DJK like goes below and like lets his teammate lose.
Unfortunately, no diffuser for Blizzard, and no round win for the Haram boys.
Yeah, Ben the Bean is just too good, you know, he's
Clearly hacking.
nice shot there from Ben the Bean. One tap.
Showing the cabinet who's balls.
Right that's the Psycho special right there. One taps that ace into oblivion.
Runs around, one taps the cabinet.
Pre-fires the cabinet a tad bit. The wardrobe really getting what it deserves.
I think we need to see the Moss files after that one.
Yeah, I agree. That was too suspicious right there.
Ben the Bean really showing up after a lackluster attack in half. 8-2-5.
Yeah,
it's almost like Dolly Parton song.
Can't say the same for Kin though.
Defenders, protect your bombs from being defused by attackers.
First floor hold coming out. I think this is Kin's time to shine.
I hope Kin doesn't watch this VOD back. Because he will see that I have been flaming him.
For no reason. Like,
I mean,
you
he
just
wasn't getting that many kills, mate.
You just random picked someone. You just rolled captains, and you're like, right, these two people are gonna get flamed.
Well, no, he's right. Look, who am I to blame, right? The whole
Mate, he's got more kills in like this one TM thus far than I did in the entirety of our ranked session just now.
That's true, actually. That's true.
And fewer deaths.
Wow. Incredible, actually. Yeah, Kin's just immaculate gamer.
I think it looks like a big horizontal hold coming out. Grey.ent.
Yeah, that's the Sanity special if I've ever seen it. Even though Sanity is attacking, he must just have that presence that everybody's aware of.
Drone narrowly missing DJK. Of course,
DJK is here. What? He almost deal some damage on a Blizzard somehow. I don't know how he hits that shot, but I didn't even see him.
Clearly macro in. And he's already wormed his way back into sight. We've got the 5-man shuffle going on.
Stay on DJK, stay on DJK. I think he's got walls, mate. Look, he just...
Oh, he didn't even see the drone on that cam.
No, look. Like, he sees the guy on the roof, like, he knew he was there because he went to this specific cam and then looked over there. Like, he knows where he is.
Damage coming out onto the cab. Oh no.
Oh my god, Ray, just... Buddha, that's embarrassing, mate, but...
Buddha's gonna have to leave the lobby after that one.
That's a straight uninstall right there.
I can't believe he didn't go for the external interrogation. It's like the
Whoa,
CIA,
keep
but al fresco.
Keep eyes on DJK. I think he knows they're through the floor.
Oh, he's got big.
He does, mate. He does, but you watch. He's gonna lock onto this guy at some point.
Preemptively C4s the breach charge. He's staring in the hatch. Oh,
look, you saw him flick to his head.
My
you saw
days.
That's embarrassing for DJK. Just giving up his hacks right then and there.
DJK is doing a Lolo look. DJK defenders.
Yeah, DJK dying because
We're gonna see the clips on Twitter after this. Kid and I alive, still on cams.
kid's getting like absolutely. Oh, he comes close to a pick, but doesn't manage to get it. He might get his redemption, but he gets taken down from another vertical pole. That's unlucky there. Pulse just Blizzard just stares down the poles, but Ben the Bean's too good. 9 and
Ooh.
5 right now. The man is insane.
All attackers top floor. Ben the Beans doing his trademark late round flank.
Yeah, I'm surprised it's not DJK this time actually, but you
Spots
could
a
always
drone.
see it happen. I say
Thinks
we go
better
back
of
on to
it.
DJK. I think he's
We
the
need to
most is happening
expose this
right here.
man. We
Yeah,
haven't seen enough of Ham this game. He's rocking a sweet skin. Pun intended. Proxy, I
Proxy
forgot
getting
he was in the
Seconds
lobby.
remaining.
Wait, yeah, oh yeah, shit, he is. You're right.
Now look at this,
10 seconds
impact
remaining.
plays. Ham and the Big Mac, doubling up.
I'll have you know it's the battle royale with
Battle Royale with Fortnite
winner
burger.
chicken dinner.
Oh, DJK's yellow ping's coming out. Ben the Bean
What was
fires him
that?
down.
What was that like? McDonald's burger that was like had somebody's name on it or something.
The
What
Travis
was that?
Scott, the Cactus Jack.
What the fuck was that?
Oh my goodness.
All 10 players actually have ops, so that's pretty interesting.
You say that Gray is rocking the Caviera.
Yeah, that's a real op if I've ever seen one. He does. He looks like he's gonna 6 off it though, and he goes for the Jaeger.
Which
Now
was
we
a
have seen.
fantastic bait because Zofia ended up doing the big brain 6-pick, Zoft is off, in order to directly counter the
Attackers need to
clash.
locate and defuse
Or
bombs.
Cav, rather.
Yeah, I think they were expecting them to 6-pick to the clash, which is why they 6-pick to the Zoe.
The Zoft to the Zoff.
Yeah, I think. You know, I'm pretty sure if it's that effective as it may seem. We will see how this works out. Maybe Blizzard could work some magic.
I'm sad to see we've had a fairly default setup on AVG thus far. Pretty lackluster. We're gonna see Bandit double reinforce this wall.
Yeah, I swear if I was in this 10-man, I would have done that shitty castle setup with the mirrors facing in from long, which actually works, surprisingly.
To the viewers who may be unaware, you flip the idea of the site on its head. Rather than playing inside the site and aiming outwards, you play outside the site and aim inwards. It's truly as simple as that.
Great. Like you open the vault wall and then you like castle barricade off like one of the doors so you can't get shot when you rotate in between.
Oh,
And
this
then
is
you just, like-
bad. Who is it?
Is that
It's Grey versus Blizzard. Blizzard topped in library like he's in ranked. Crouch
Blizzard,
walk mission.
the Pingmeister himself gets the pick on the range.
Slapped.
Nasty shot right there.
There's nothing you can say.
Yeah, except Grey just his eyes went black right there.
Hits him with a GN.
And the XD.
You know it's
Just
all
to
fun
make-
and games. It's just fun and games. No hard feelings.
Yeah, we always have fun in these 10-mans.
We definitely don't ever rage quit from clubhouse games when you get domed with the yellow shotty.
Gray is typing in the chat saying it was a nice shot. I agree, it was a nice shot. In the meantime, Blizzard gets traded back though. It is a 4v4 now as Sanity is doing his best DJK impression, crouch walking around, but DJK is doing the exact same.
Oh,
Can you
they're next
believe
to
it?
each other. It's so painfully
DJK.
close.
Just hiding below here for some reason.
They're
while
just
his
crouch
team
walking
is
around.
on the
Neither
guards,
of them have
like-
got intel.
Of course DJK is below. He's gonna wait until it's a 1v4 and then he's gonna push upstairs.
You saw that round that Chaos played in the 6MV quals where next one got the 4K in the final 10 seconds. And he said that's my entire playstyle henceforth.
Should have played Cav. 8,
Nice.
open bracket.
DJK getting picked off from Sanity.
Yes, karma for DJK. I hate him.
Sanity's gone for another graduate mission, taking out some stuff from below. What?
Yeah, absolutely nothing. It looks like. I think they
think
actually
Warden
managed
are
to
the
get an
bandits.
charge. Yeah, that's true.
Allowing holes to be opened up, which would help the Vault player. There's no Vault player. We just see Bandit in the middle of the site. This is a misposition.
Sanity takes down Proxy. He's now on the rotate. He takes out another Sanity on the triple kill. He's going absolutely insane. Ben the Bean gets one to trade it back. It's a 1v3, which is now a 1v2 as he managed to get a pick.
I would say I'm
Pick it
much
down
more excited
low.
about what's happening right now, but I don't want to be too loud because the rest of my family are still hot.
That's true. Sanity planting. He had the diffuser this whole time. He's getting stuck in the plant. Ben the Bean takes the first pick on the Thatcher. It's only Sanity left. This will be the quad. He gets it. What a round from Sanity. Absolutely insane. And I am like even more hyped than I've ever been.
Oh, look at the quick peeks. Look at the Buelo charm.
Sanity just Sanity. Sanity can
hits him with a nice try. He didn't really mean it, Ben. Don't fall victim to that.
Ben is after I absolutely wrecked Ben earlier. He's
turned it around.
He's pulled the old reverse roommate.
Put the Uno reverse card on the table and hit you with the reverse friendly fire.
Yeah, I think it's Caster's Curse. I think that's what it can be classed as. Gray shifting from a Rooney to maybe an Rooney. That's what I'm expecting here. Not quite sure how this will work out. Probably a Jaeger actually, but yeah, to call it.
Whoa.
No, am I? What? I was not expecting that. I guess I didn't Caster's Curse again. Hits me right back in the face. Can you believe it? He's hearing into this like the whole time. He knows exactly what I'm saying.
It's about 11 AM maybe in the morning for Sanity, and he's only just woke up apparently.
Yeah, 10 and 6 right now. Sanity.slicks. I did say that right.
Don't know what the excuse is, mate. It's probably like fucking 5 AM in the morning for Blizzard.pnx.
Yeah, actually, but Blizzard still, he's getting his fair share of kills. Like, you can't say he's not. He's on 10 deaths though, so he has died every single round so far, which is kind of embarrassing. Gotta admit.
It's a tough position to be in. It's often when you feel like, I'm just gonna burp into the mic real quick. Okay, we're back. Oh, he's hopped in the same place again.
Yeah, Blizzard just walking in. I'm not sure if he's going to meet Gray this time though. Doesn't look like it, as Gray just isn't there.
You often find those who have the most kills, sometimes doing the most for their team. And I promise I'm not only saying this because it's always me.
Well, obviously, you promise you're not because you never have the most kills. Except from your kill record.
Oh my goodness.
What the hell?
Instantly given away top main. Ben the Bean's playing in the corner with no shield on the hatch.
Instantly given back. Ben the Bean sprays into absolutely nothing.
Buddha's gonna follow up, giving them the funnel they desperately crave. Call this one coffee the way they're filtering towards them.
That was bad.
Fuck off.
That's a Jackie casting special right there. Just a poem right off the lips.
Buddha walks in, picks up Ben the Bean. Kind of like that challenge where you have to pick up beans with chopsticks.
Okay, can you stop?
Grey on my peeking out a master window, it must have been. Oh my goodness. Completely unchecked because there's no night repel.
Surprised that wasn't DJ, but you know where DJ is?
He's below.
Of course he is. He's flanking in a 4v3. The madman. Holding bottom main. I'm not sure if Sally knows, he doesn't. And for some reason,
DJ.
the mod just flashed back to the ban phase before. Now it's back. Okay, that was really interesting. I guess Discord just broke.
Proxy going crazy, he just picks up 2 on the main stairs. They just lined up and give him the collateral. Ham's traded it right back.
He gets a 3rd. He doesn't know the last one's there. This could be horrible. DJ is bad, so maybe Ham can win
Bomb
this.
located by attackers.
Just kidding. DJ's actually really good. Does look like. Oh my god, 1 HP for Ham.
Whiffing the
There's no-
shots. Still has the
He's a
C4
player.
in pocket. He goes for
To
the
give this
default
up.
plant. Here's it.
Yeah, he's gonna C4 here.
Pre-aims the
This is
vault.
over.
He misses the shot.
He misses
Where did
the
that
C4.
detonate? Oh, on the wrong
Oh
side of the
my
vault wall.
God. That is unlucky right there.
Ham's playing this too
why does he
passively.
get off the plant? Ham might just
15 seconds to
see
go.
his arm. I'm not sure.
He does.
Yeah.
Now DJK's
10 seconds to
prone.
go.
How many times have we said these exact words? Ham's
Yeah,
got to push and
that's-
secure the
5
kill.
seconds remaining.
He's prone.
Oh
No.
my god! So close for Ham, but ultimately isn't able to secure that final round,
Oh.
or to make it to not send them to bed. You know.
And
It's
the
unlucky.
insta leave. What? Sanity does licks.
Sammy, because his team lost.
Thank goodness Halal won.
Yeah, that could have been bad for us. If if Haram won,
We'd yeah.
of course Sanity was raging that whole time. We all know. We all know what happened.
Yeah.
That fateful team.
Hey,
And